Guys, welcome back from 4Kids Daily Adventure. Today we're gonna make a cardboard castle. Let's get started. Let's go. I'll hold it.
You don't need a roll. Now that we got the supplies, let's get started. Hooray! Go! What? I almost got it. I need this for a moment, please. I'm back in. Won't be active.
Cool, Jason.
No.
I need you to take this to here. So
we got this
good.
Got it.
That is good. Is that the mailbox?
Oh.
No, you got this. This
in
could
the
have just been the mailbox. Just
No.
like if I did.
People keep telling me that. I like my mailbox.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, wait. Okay, that's actually a good idea. Don't cut directly, because then we could just cut a door in and then have a piece of cloth on top. A bed sheet on top.
Yeah, good plan.
Excuse me, dudes. Can you please move a bit? Careful.
Surprise!
Cool. Like a tiny door. No, it'd be too hard for me. So we'll just
Take gun.
Take gun.
Dad, your turn. Dad, you're near the take gun. It's next to Winnie. Actually, William.
You're gonna help me color on the mailbox. Actually, mailbox. Haha. Lovely.
Excuse me, can you move your working a little? Because we need to tape up this part. Okay, ready? Okay, now here.
Oh yeah, how are we gonna have a chimney?
Oh, we just tape it like that, maybe?
Sure. That sounds good. If you want to have a chimney.
Or we can put this on the tiny ones. You can use this. Hi.
Hi.
I can't even say us.
Why are we up there? Huh? That's
We're
weird.
hiding.
Oh.
We're coloring.
Not you. You're helping.
I know.
Yeah,
we can put a bear on. Can you work out there, right there? I'm going to try. Not out the front.
Okay. Here we go. I'll look for rules later.
Here.
Finish building a mailbox.
I don't have a basic. Go up there. Here's a few pieces. That.
I just need this. Thanks.
Hi.
Easy.
Is that William? No, not William.
Do you like the front of
That is the weapon box. Wait, no, that should be the weapon box.
I mean toolbox?
That should be the weapon
No,
box.
our weapons aren't that small.
I made it all by myself. And it's a good
I need a
bag.
knife. Wait, Brooke, no. Excuse me. Me? You have to move. We're moving our house. Okay, ready, Brooke? How do I move it? Where do I move it?
Because I'm still taping it. It won't. I'm not supposed to get in.
A little wider.
That's it.
A truck.
I don't think this even fit a truck. An adult.
Breaking out of the house with a knife.
It's very interesting.
Open up my house.
Our house is almost finished.
Do it!
Alright,
Come
come
see
inside.
Yay!
It's fun inside.
Come inside.
Cough.
You want to use these?
House adder.
You know? Sure.
Back it up. That's too close. Back up. Too. Don't get near the knife. The knife. Okay, no.
Other than your fall. It's gonna pop up. Hey! There you go. Wait. Now no one can see you.
Black box curtains.
Hooray!
Curtains. What color curtains?
Are you okay? Whoa. It's raining tissue paper. This is our mailbox. What is this?
right there.
Guys, don't we need a pole here to have it like standing? Is this our mailbox?
No one ever read yet. I thought it was our weapon thing.
It needs some kind of light. Oh.
I'll go look.
Your house.
Okay.
Excuse me. Oh, wait.
Ready? Whoosh it.
Woo!
Okay. Now pull it one side and the other side. Now pull it out.
Pull out. No, can you pull it more on your side?
Yeah.
I'll tell you when it's checked. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. A little bit. Pull. Ah! No.
Okay, now. There you go.
Hey, that's too much.
Okay. How's that?
That's good.
Okay.
Ugh.
What? We were just about to open the door. No.
Oh wait, we're trapped in here.
Someone get clipped. Well, we can.
I just found it. House. This is the tool, right?
Don't we need like one
Okay.
window at least?
Hey, wait. No, I'm not going in.
I'm sorry.
The door?
Can I have this one?
Then you can just write anything.
Oh, I was gonna like make a sign post. Oh wait, I can't. Because they got my police stuff. It's gonna be inside. No one's gonna see it, dude.
Oh, yeah, I need to open it.
Oh, I have a question. What's this supposed to be? What's this? Need a fan? What's this?
Need a better fan?
What's this? It's supposed to be for.
We don't know that.
Do it die? Nothing happened. I found a black yellow if you need it.
I can barely go on this side.
Kids Cottage. Bing.
Any
Can we not have this on right now?
Yeah.
We did do it.
Fran.
Okay. Hello, guys.
I've been enjoying the game for 2 million years.
That's funny.
Ah!
Excuse me.
Whoa, your prints are pretty good.
Thanks.
Scissors, going for scissors. I need some scissors.
Scissors? I don't have scissors.
No scissors.
Hey! Hey! Da-da-da-da-da.
Hey!
Hey! That's this off.
I do want it.
That should be or like that. Here, I'll make it. Wait, what did you? Can I see your face? Look, we need a rabbit.
Looks like a hat.
I'm trying to find some good folks to look after our house. Wow, I think I found some. Look over there. There's some good folks. Come on, look at this giant castle. Da 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 da.
They're weird. That's weird. These are people. People.
And song. Wow.
Yeah.
I can't see.
Dude. Okay, let's clean it up a little.
I made a ding dong. I wrapped tape around a pom pom and I taped it near the door. You can kind of press down on it because it's still squishy because the tape doesn't do that much except it makes like a kind of hard layer.
Hi, we finished. Now I will show you a tour of our house. Hooray! Okay, ready? Let's start for the sign. Since we didn't want to do numbers, because usually there's numbers on your houses to tell them apart, we wanted to do Kids Cottage. So this is our sign. So I made a mailbox. Well, basically how I made it is that I took cardboard and decorated it. It was actually a box when I found it. So I just decorated it. I had a hole here. And then now you can open and close it. They put the mail in. Let's see if we got a mail. Oh, look, we've got some mail. Let's see what we have. Like it. Maybe someone likes it. I don't know who saw our house, but okay. This is our ding donger. So how we made it, we took a pom-pom and covered it with tape, and then we had it a little dot here, and then we put tape on it, and then now we can just stick it on and ding dong it. Okay, so this is our handle for the door to open it. This is our eyeglass where you can see and look at tiny stuff. And these are our symbols. And I got a paw print and a scratch mark. There's ninja stars. My sister, my older brother, me, and my little brother. So I chose penguins because those were the only animals, and I really like animals.
And they all unite, pointing to the center because we're all one big team together.
Let's get inside. Come on, I'll open the door for you. Thanks.
Shh, everyone's sleeping. Be quiet, okay? There's these hammocks I built for the, you can see people sleeping in them right now. There's 2 beds on the floor. And then over here, you can see we got a toolbox. It's like maybe sort of messy.
Cool.
And this
It's a little crib.
For William.
Shh.
And here are our supplies. We got a fan, a chocolate box, binoculars, and a sword. Fake one, don't worry. And a cereal box. So we're coming back out because it's actually really hot. So,
We should go check out the garden, don't you think? Come on. Okay, these are grapes and cherries, and then the rest are apples. So down here are flowers that I made. They're my favorite. What is this? This is aloe. It's good for your skin. My little brother just watered the plant. See, you can tell because it looks wet. So this carrot, watermelon. Here is our tomato tree. My big brother really likes it. That's why he always takes care of it.
Oh,
Big
wait. There's a bunny eating our carrot. We have a little bunny, like our bunny eating the carrot. He has a tail and ears.
We made a flag. It has all our symbols. So these are narwhals.
and first we have our squid, which is me, Nadiana. Then Jayton likes octopuses. Brooke likes animals, so she has paw print. Thad likes cuttlefish.
We worked so hard. Now we can enjoy, just like you when you make your house. I can't wait to see yours. Please comment below show us how it looks like or describe it. And make sure you subscribe or give us a big thumbs up. Bye!